Look what happens when you sleep with your socks on. Many experts in the world say sleeping with socks has nothing to do with being cold or hot. Everything is related to his personality. Some people are protective, and others are looking for protection. You should know that there are two types of people in the world, those who wear socks to bed and those who prefer to sleep barefoot. Well, the truth is that some find it impossible to sleep without socks, feel cold and have to wake up in the middle of the night to put on their favorite socks. Others experience exactly the opposite. They find it very uncomfortable to have socks once they are in bed. Gives them a feeling of congestion, and they feel uncomfortable and with excessive heat. And now, you will probably think that this is just a habit, but medical experts have discovered that it really reveals more about you than you might imagine. You have discovered this that can reveal a lot about your personality. We explain it to you next. 1. Sleep with socks. Experts say that if you wear socks in bed, it is probably because you are very sensitive to cold. You should also know that this can be related to different aspects of your physique, including the thickness of the skin and the metabolic rate of your body. People with rapid metabolism generally have a sweaty and hot feeling all the time, while those with a slow metabolism and poor blood circulation more than other people feel cold. However, you should know that being sensitive to cold is a condition associated with its physical and biological characteristics. It also has a lot to do with the perception of space and temperature. 2. Sleep with bare feet. But, if you get to sleep with socks, just thinking about having your feet covered at night makes you feel uncomfortable, then it's probably because you have a faster metabolism than others, good circulation, or thicker skin. You have a biological predisposition to preserve and generate heat and therefore do not feel the need to cover your feet. However, you should know that this is not just a physical issue. Being less sensitive to cold is also related to how you interact with others. Experts say if you sleep barefoot, then you are probably a very independent